Today we will be making sardine. This is 1 tin of sardine, the big tin, and then we'll be using potatoes, 2 onions, 2 large onions, eggplant, 2 eggplant, garlic, fish curry powder, salt, and we need some water as well. So first what we will do is we will fry the potatoes until it's cooked. Then after that we will fry the eggplant. Then only we will make the sardine. We will add a bit of salt, little bit of salt into the potatoes before we fry. Now we will fry the potatoes. Potatoes are 3 medium potatoes. When we add in the potatoes and the eggplant, the sardine become more. So if you want to have a large amount of sardine, you add potatoes, eggplant, then your sardine will become more. Potatoes are cooked, we will take them out. The eggplant I soak in the water. Now we will fry the eggplants so that it doesn't turn color. We're going to cook the onions. Before we put the onions, we will put the fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon of fenugreek, then we will put the onions. We will saute the onion first before putting the garlic in. Now we will put some salt. We will put the garlic, 1 teaspoon. Okay, now we will put the fish curry powder. We will put 2 tablespoons of curry powder. 1, 2. Add in some water. We'll add in the tamarind juice. We'll add in our sardine. We'll add some water as well. We'll let it cook first. let the curry powder cook properly with the sardine. After cooking for 5 minutes, now we are putting the potato and the brinjal. We let it cook another 5 minutes. You see the oil coming up from the sardine, then means it's done already. So do try this recipe. It's a very simple recipe and it's very nice to eat with rice or chapati, and with the taste of potato and brinjal, it will make it more tasty. So I hope you like it, and do comment my channel, and I will see you soon in the next video.